Hello and welcome. My name is James Bent and I lead iasset.com's pre-sales team. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to put your LIPS sales strategy, which we created for IT vendors, distributors, resellers and service providers, into action using the iasset.com platform to manage the 4 key product lifecycle stages of land, invest, protect and surrender. The LIPS strategy provides a guide for how you can retain and grow your existing customer base through proactive management of your install base as you work through each stage of the asset lifecycle. And today I'll be giving you a practical overview on how to use the iasset.com platform to manage each of these stages. To start with, the land stage. When you land a deal, the customer journey is only just beginning. Using iasset.com, you can either use our CPQ capabilities to manage net new sales, or use uploads and integrations to feed details of landed sales from your current quoting and finance solutions. In either case, iasset.com ensures those landed sales, whether for hardware with maintenance and support, software and security licenses, IoT and OT device deployments, or subscription and consumption products and services, are converted automatically into installed asset records, powering future stage product lifecycle workflows in the platform. Within iasset.com's installed asset records, all details are recorded, including the products and services sold, the channel entities involved, term dates for contract items, and unique identifiers such as serial numbers and license keys. And because it's in our dedicated installed asset lifecycle management platform, you can move away from having to rely on spreadsheets or accessing data in CRMs or finance systems, even though iasset.com integrates seamlessly with those platforms, which were never made for managing the product lifecycle from cradle to grave. Through managing the land stage with iasset.com, you achieve 2 main goals. The first being to ensure customer adoption and satisfaction with their investment by tracking installations and deployments, and the second being prepared to extend that investment by building a dynamic install base to help amplify the return through the subsequent lifecycle stages. And so we move on to the second stage, invest. Invest is the most important aspect of the LIPS strategy, representing growth. Invest enables you to proactively manage your customer's IT investment strategy. Using iasset.com's sales campaign capability to mine your customer installed asset data, you can automate the creation of unsolicited proposals ready to send with customer pricing, helping put your customer in a better economic position. Through this discovery of previously unseen opportunities, whether for upsell and cross-sell for assets or contracts, e.g. increasing a service level or selling add-ons for hardware, or for co-sell opportunities, e.g. for solution-based selling using reference architectures to promote related products and services, you're adding value to the initial sale, maximizing the investment from your customer base in ways that also directly benefits your customer. The result being that you become part of your customer's IT strategy rather than just another IT supplier, continuing the journey along the product lifecycle. The next step of which is the protect stage. Having maximized investment using iasset.com, the key is to protect your recurring revenue, ensuring you action all license, maintenance, and tech renewals to keep the original investment sold to your customer alive, current, and useful over its workable life. With iasset.com, you can run a fully automated renewals workflow, and not just automated reminders and notifications to take a manual action, but rather using expiring installed assets to automatically identify and create opportunities in renewal quotes, inclusive of pre-configured items to be quoted, as well as channel pricing capabilities, including vendor and product-based partner program discounts, margins, exchange rates, uplifts, and co-termination logic, for example. The benefit of such automation is your representatives spend less time on manual administration to generate customer-ready quotes and more time ensuring customers have adopted products and services. At the same time, reps also have the opportunity to add value through upsell, cross-sell or co-sell to otherwise transactional renewals, further protecting your customer base. Given the current climate, the importance of these benefits make it imperative for technology providers to deploy an installed asset lifecycle management platform, such as iasset.com. The customer and product lifecycle journey doesn't stop at the renewal, however. All assets will reach the end of their useful life at some point. And this is not limited to hardware asset environments. It also includes software-based assets as well. Surrender, therefore, is the final stage to the LIPS strategy, ensuring a forward-thinking obsolescence strategy. Whether assets are marked as end of life or end of service, or whether a customer no longer finds the asset useful or wants to replace with something better, surrender is a compelling event. With iasset.com's sales campaign capability, you can mine the installed asset records, identifying all assets going end of life or end of service, or using trends to identify other areas of your customer base that might choose to otherwise upgrade or replace. iasset.com then uses the outputs of the installed asset data mining to again create unsolicited proposals ready to send with pricing to the customer, this time focused on promoting upgrades or tech refresh. The key benefit being to have the opportunity to introduce new technology at the appropriate point in time, ensuring your customer's digital strategy is enhanced and amplified, not hindered and brought to a halt. So where to from here? No matter what type of technology provider you are, a vendor, distributor or reseller or VAR, there is no better time than now to focus on customer retention and growth using the iasset.com platform in conjunction with the LIPS strategy. If you'd like to know more, all you need to do is reach out to your regional sales office to organize a demo and discussion on how to get started. Thank you.